It's noise campaign for you. Well, the fucker below just started up a mower. I've had this bastard all morning. Proper fumes and all. Just move away because there's all petrol fumes. Another thing I've noticed as well is a lot of cars going past me have been pumping out black smoke and accelerating really fast. And it's old and new cars for anyone that's going to say, oh, maybe it's an old banger, you know. But yeah, see, they're probably seeing my windows are open and decided to try and fumigate me pretty much with this petrol. Fucking cunts, but you know. But yeah, I keep getting cars going past me with fucking fumes blasting out the back. Yeah. Alright.